Suppose you have a lovely poster like this one, great artwork, but you want to use it for some other purpose. You want to reappropriate it, you want to co-opt it. It's going to be useful to get rid of the text. Now in this poster, the text at the top and the text at the bottom are going to be gotten rid of in two very different ways. The stuff at the bottom, very easy. The stuff up top is going to cost you a little bit more work. So let's start with the easy one first. We'll get rid of this text down here simply by using the rectangular select tool, putting a box around all the text, pressing delete, there it goes. You can select none after this, and well, that white space there is not going to be good. So take the color picker tool, choose a little spot of the color surrounding, and then go ahead and bucket fill that white area. Presto changeo, and this is now ready for some new text. But now, what about the area up top? If you just erase that, you can't easily fill that in with anything because there's a pattern back here. Zooming in, we can see that there's something of a grain to the banana leaf. And we can use that to our advantage using a different tool. This one is the clone tool. Click on it. It gives you lots of different options. Very useful is going to be controlling the size of the brush and the kind of brush that you're going to use. For this, I'm going to use something solid. This one will work. And I'm going to keep changing. I will have to change the size of the brush to get this done. I will get it started and show you what it looks like at the end when I finally have Banana Land entirely removed from the image. So to start out with, you can take advantage of these areas where there is leaf heading down to the center. I'm going to hold down Control and click on it. You can see at the moment that there is this area that is outlined. And then I can go to somewhere else, not too far off. I'll click and hold, and you can see that that portion of the letter A has been replaced with what looks like would be behind it, but is really just a copy of the stuff that's a little bit over to the left. And just keep doing that. And you'll see that you're able to get rid of portions of these letters. You may have to select some other little parts of nearby leaf. And you may have to change the direction in which you're trying to erase the letters. Over here, as another example, I can select this area of the leaf and then begin to work on erasing that last part of the text. And you just keep at it until, again, all you're going to see is a leaf. Zooming out again, now I have an image that has no text whatsoever, and it's time to add in some text. I recommend that you choose the color first. You can go back to another copy of the original image or a layer. Hopefully you have multiple layers. You can go to a layer that has the the text and just use the color picker and select the color that you need. After that, it becomes a matter of using the text tool. The text tool is really easy to use. Just go ahead and click on the icon here with the letter A on it, and then click over near where you want your text. So let's say I want to put in Bimini Resort. Bimini, by the way, is the name of the fountain of youth in the Arawak language. So that's the text, but that's not the style that you want. Okay. Make use of all the options over here. Let's say you want to increase the font size. That looks pretty good. Let's say you want to change the font. I actually like Libby for this, but let's say you had wanted something else like a Corbel or something ridiculous like Webdings. It's not even legible anymore. Whatever the case, you can just go clicking through here to try out the different fonts. You can change the color after the fact. You can even change the position of this layer. So if you use the Move tool, you have the option of sliding this around, getting it exactly to where you want it. So you play with that a bit. You would, of course, use more than one text layer. So down here where we had removed that text, we can replace that as well. So I could put in that text, just type it out, maybe Spa Retreat, and Equestrian Paradise. Yes, this is not about the bananas anymore. This is about a place where you can get a massage and then go out for a ride on horseback. This is obviously too large, so I can reduce the size of the font here. Bust that down to maybe a 24 to start. Okay, that's not exactly good. And you get the point. You can keep playing with these options. You can move things around a bit. And when you're happy with the final results, there you have it. It's the same old poster, but with a new purpose.